Caleb Peevler here with MarineMax Panama City Beach, standing on top of a new brokerage listing, a 2018 Sea Ray 460 Sundancer. The iconic lineup from a legendary brand. Sea Ray has been building Sundancers of multiple sizes for quite some time and has been the benchmark for the sport yacht and sport cruiser industry. This boat specifically is powered by twin 6.7 Cummins with the optional joystick bow and stern thrusters. Big upgrade to make more convenient, better docking and more comfortable docking with more days on the water. The boat's also equipped with the optional larger fuel tank to make longer days and longer trips so we can enjoy the boat more days. As we step into the rear of the boat, we're going to see that we have the optional bench seat with armrest down. We've got the optional teak flooring and that huge sunshade to provide cool comfort and to step out of the elements into one of the very many social zones on the boat. The boat does have a very spacious layout with the opportunity to be protected from the elements with these glass cockpit enclosed, enjoying that air conditioning, as well as an open, spacious layout with a huge sun top that we're going to take a better look at, and these doors wide open. Go ahead and step aboard and let's take a better look at the inside of this boat and the multiple social zones we have access to. As we step into the rear of the boat, you can see that wonderful, beautiful marine soft touch vinyl, quilted backrest, wraparound seating. We could argue we're in social zone 2 as we're not hanging out on the cockpit enjoying cocktails. We've got the switches for the sliding rear seat to expand this platform and give us more area, as well as that power shade. What I wanted to do on camera to show you how easy it is to make the boat transform into an entertainer is go ahead and convert these doors while we stand here. Behind cameraman Andy here, we do have access to the accent lighting, indirect lighting, and stereo remote. This seat does pop out of the way so we can walk up that walkway. We've got stainless grab rails throughout, as well as beside the hardtop, so we can safely board the front of the boat to help with docking or go up and enjoy the sun pads. To have this boat as an entertainer and a transformer, we can convert this door very easily, very quickly on camera. Let's not screw it up, boys. And have that open social zone where we now have that social zone 2 open into the galley, kitchenette, and air conditioning. If we look at this large flat screen TV, where I can open it, we can enjoy them football games or cooking shows to educate me there over at the cooktop, rear facing, or maybe we still have those glass doors closed and we're hanging out inside, out of the elements, enjoying that AC after a nice long day out on the water. Step inside the galley. We've got a wash basin and sink, nice stainless there. We've got a 2-base cooktop, microwave, and pantry. Enormous refrigerators, the freezers up top, no shortness of space for storage. We've got our option seats, as well as a ride up on the extended warranty and Passport Premier that the boat does come with. I think something worth noting is just as simple as this may be, but the gas assisted shocks on how well and safe this is going to stay open while we're underway versus banging these beautiful granite hardtops. But those will sit nicely. We step inside of the boat, stay there Andy. We've got a dinette table, dining table, that with the turn of a lever down here will come down to a coffee table height. Take shades off. We go to that coffee table height, slide this out of the way, and what you can see in the pictures is that bed pulls out and will turn into a twin bed where we could sleep 2 more people comfortably up here, as well as the master stateroom and VIP guest room down below. Something you can see is we have wonderful upgraded Roman shades. We work to the helm. We also have the upgraded electronics package with the Raymarine touchscreen Axiom Pros. We've got autopilot, VHF spotlight, twin 12-inch screens, and most importantly to me, you've got that wonderful Cummins power, but more importantly than all, we've got bow and stern thrusters for joystick docking and control. This will take a novice boater and make them look like a pro. This is going to put the confidence through the roof And this is going to make you enjoy the boat on better days where you may have not gone out because you weren't comfortable leaving to and from your slip and or the dock. Easy in and out of slips, easy in and out at the beach, and even on and off the fuel dock, where it would have normally been maybe a 2 or 3 man job. Another thing that's visible in the photos, not sure if we're going to open it right now. Let's go ahead and give her a go. We talked about open social areas, open zones. We currently have the sliding glass door split from 3 all the way down to 1 to open that rear and entertain our friends, watch TV. We want to enjoy these beautiful Panama City Beach blue skies. We can take a look at that skylight and get a wonderful view to the open air outside and open these elements up from being just wrapped into that hardtop and express model cruiser that we now have that open air and access to the elements. We're going to take a break here and run downstairs and get a better look at the VIP stateroom as well as the master guest room. Let's head on down. As we continue into the V-berth of the boat, we can see that the VIP guest room is a transformer as well. Versatility is abundant as we have a queen bed, storage below mattresses that is versatile enough to split into twin beds. What's the perk of that? If we have our 2 boys coming to stay with us and we're going to enjoy mom and dad's yacht, we can split into the twin bed so we don't have wrestling and grappling a bond in that VIP guest room. If we have a couple coming to join us on a Bimini trip or a trip to go see the Blue Angels in Pensacola, we can put that bed together and have a queen bed with storage down below and make this room a double do. We look behind us on the cedar cabinet. We've got storage both sides behind Andy as well as here. We could kick that shelf up out of the way and hang clothes. We have a flat screen TV to Andy's right. And a nice feature that's been well thought out is having access to the VIP bathroom where we could have our closet door closed, the hallway door closed for privacy to go into the full walk-in shower. We've got a modern sink and toilet. This would also be used as the day head, where if we had this pocket door closed, that we could have access to the day head from the door out here, close this door, and have some privacy to the front room. We're going to take a step back into the master stateroom and see what this boat's all about. As you roll out of the private master bathroom that could be closed off from the hallway, you see the contemporary backsplash, the walk-in shower, nice toilet, nice contemporary modern sink. We step into what everybody wants to see, the full beam aft master cabin. We've got a queen bed, abundant storage on both sides, 2 more oak cabinets, 32-inch flat screen TV with Bose stereo system, as well as an optional upgraded washer-dryer combo. As we pan around this room, something I think you want to take note of is not only the upgraded Roman shades again, as we had upstairs, but also the fact that the sheets are still in the packaging with that custom Sea Ray embroidery. The carpet runners are still installed. They're not dingy, they're not used. The boat's as good as new. We work our way through the Sea Ray innovation. We've got adequate headspace. I'm 6 foot tall, 230 pounds, healthy young man. And at no point in this boat do I feel like I need to duck, move, turn. I've got a boat that I would be very comfortable taking to Bimini, taking to the Bahamas, running on a short trip over Shell Island, and something that I can enjoy with a lot of family and have adequate space for us to all enjoy the boat. Hey, thanks for walking through the Sea Ray 460 Sundancer with Caleb here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. In closing, I want to hit a few bullet points of why this boat's important to you. Number 1, we've got a 2018 Sea Ray 460 Sundancer with Passport Premier. We've got Sea Ray and Cummins warranty still in effect, as well as a customer purchase Passport Premier that's going to cover the components of the boat from front to back. On top of that, we've got MarineMax's servicing network of over 67 stores that if we're enjoying this boat in the Panhandle, from Fort Walton Beach to Gulf Shores to Pensacola to Panama City, all the way down to Clearwater, the Keys, going to our international locations in the British Virgin Islands, we can still get this boat serviced, which is something that not other dealers can say. This boat in Arctic White is the cleanest 2018 460 Sundancer on the market. Give me a call at 850-708-1317. Visit us at MarineMax.com. Get a closer look at the boat, the photos, the information. And you can also take a chance to check out our YouTube page for more videos that you could like, subscribe, or even engage in the content if it's something you've really enjoyed. Thanks again, Caleb Peevler, MarineMax, Panama City Beach.